Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling protection so Windows can save snapshots of system files. This is essential. Open Start, type Create a Restore Point, and press Enter. In System Properties, select your system drive, click Configure, and choose Turn on System Protection. Adjust max usage to about 5–10% so you keep several points without filling disk. Once done, click Create, give the point a clear name, and confirm. This makes sure you have a recoverable baseline. Make it before installing major updates or drivers. Now you perform the restore itself. This reverses system changes while keeping your files. Open System Restore via System Properties or Settings, right arrow Recovery, and launch the wizard. Click Next to see available points. You scan for affected programs so you know what will be added or removed. Pick the point that predates the issue, verify the date and time to avoid accidental data loss, then click Next. Read the confirmation, then click Finish. Windows will schedule a restart to apply the chosen snapshot. The final phase runs automatically after you confirm. Your PC will restart and apply the restore, so do not power down. When Windows boots back, check system stability, open target apps, and confirm drivers. Some apps may need reinstallation. Once satisfied, create a fresh restore point to lock in the fixed state. If the restore fails or Windows reverts, boot to safe mode, run an SFC scan using sfc/scano to repair system files. Then attempt the restore again. This fixes corrupted components that...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.